Hello, how are you guys doing? Welcome. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time to my channel and click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Today we're going to be making a pretty easy DIY. I made a set of these. What you're going to need are 4 of these mirrors or any kind of mirror that you choose. There's quite a few different designs that you can pick from. Just make sure, or at least try to put the hooks where you hang them from outwards. That way you can actually hang it in different ways. Then you connect them together and make sure both sides are connected the same way as the 2 middle ones are connected the same way. Also, if you see this, there's like a square in the middle of each one of them towards the middle. So that's how I kind of eyeballed it to make it sure that they all looked the same. Then I used one of these skewer sticks and just cut it in little pieces and put some fix-all glue and inserted them into the little, I guess you could say like a little gap that's inside each one of the backings of these mirrors. And I did this in order for my popsicle sticks that we're going to glue to have something to glue on, except not just the edges of the mirror. So you just continue to do this everywhere you see there's a connection between 2 mirrors. That way you can actually connect that popsicle stick or whatever stick you choose to use. You can also use these skewer sticks to glue them together, to attach the mirrors together, but it was too bulky when I hung it up, so I had to remove them, and I decided to add these little popsicle sticks instead because they're flat. So just something that I did. It's up to you how you want to do it, but I just liked it better, for it to be flat on my wall. Okay, so once you're done adding all the little sticks inside these mirror backings, go ahead and grab your popsicle stick or whatever you choose to use and cut it in little pieces. Now these popsicle sticks, I cut them in little, like I want to say in thirds or in halves. So the pieces would be smaller. Then I added some E6000 and hot glue to each one of the little popsicle sticks. And then just place the stick on top of them. Now, once I added a certain amount, I decided to place my saucer on top of it just to give it some weight and let them dry. Just like so. You can add something bigger, but I just added that and just kind of let it dry for a few minutes before I started working on the other side. And here I am adding some fix-all glue, and then I'm just adding a little bit of glue around the fix-all to add the popsicle sticks. Now, when I first made these, I had thought of leaving them the way they are, and I'm going to actually show you a picture of how it looks just as is. You don't have to spray paint them or anything. And it looked pretty, but where I have them at, the picture that's in the middle is brown and black framing, so I chose to go ahead and spray paint mine black. Let me know in the comments down below what color you're thinking of painting these, or are you thinking of just leaving them as is? And there you go. Just go ahead and let that side dry. So once they're all completely dry, I gave you two options. You can either use permanent marker and color the sticks, but I chose to use some black paint and just paint over all the popsicle sticks and sticks in between. Just paint them as best as I could, because I just didn't want the backing to look this way. And as you can tell, you really can't see them after you paint them. So it just looks better, more professional, I guess you could say. But this is completely optional. I just didn't want to risk the chance of seeing the popsicle sticks at different angles once I hung it up. So here you have it, gold. What do you guys think? I think it's pretty gold. And here's black. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.